Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Tezos is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, nothing has changed very much from the last time. Now it looks like the 61% retracement from the swing high of February, the second week of February of 2020 to March 13. We're holding above that 61% retracement, so that puts us at $2.83. Now, the one thing that concerns me is everything been rallying hard. This did the opposite. And the other thing is we try to break above. Let's just remove this XFib extension for a second. We tried to break above the 78% retracement, so $3.32 twice, and we didn't. And then we made a lower low. So it's a little bit of a concern, especially if we break below the $2.83, so the 61% retracement. What we'll probably see is, and I mentioned that this could be a possibility, the 200-day moving average was going to catch up to the 50% retracement, so $2.48. We're also holding this trend line from the March 13 low. So we might see a pullback all the way down there and then try to break this higher. So that's something to keep in mind. By the way guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to reach out 7 billion people. That's the only way the channel is going to grow, and everyone in the crypto, that wants to learn about crypto, that way we can teach them. Because the whole idea is we're a community here. We're here to help each other out, and we can stop using the crooks, the bankers. So if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money in the crypto markets. So that being said, I wouldn't do anything right now. I mean, not until we either break higher, the $3.32, or we break lower and we catch it at $2.48. I feel like we're in the middle of the range. I mean, this is a very important fib, the 61% retracement, but I feel like risk to reward is not quite there. Let's just kind of check out and see. So if we were to place a position here, stop loss below the previous high low. I mean, technically speaking, your ratio is 3.25, but there are times where I don't feel too comfortable, so I feel like it's gonna go lower. So just maybe I've been doing this too long, and you think that you know a lot of stuff when you don't. I feel like we can either buy it at a better price, or just wait for the better price. I just don't feel like we're quite there yet, because you have some room to move down, and the only thing that concerns me is everything has rally, and why is this not rallying? So that's the kind of stuff that you have to keep in mind when you're placing a position. And you also have to think, well, where's everyone else's stop at? I can guarantee you everyone else's stop is going to be right below the previous low, or right below the 61% retracement. So guess what happens? So once one stop gets triggered, if there's a lot of stops in that same particular point, it creates an avalanche, and if it creates an avalanche, the stuff goes down. That's why when everyone is watching the same pattern, it usually goes the other way, because everyone knows where the stops are, and it creates an avalanche. So that's why everyone in Wall Street is very secretive on what positions they're placing, because of the exact same reason. So also, I did not like the fact that we did not break up. When we had this rally, we didn't break above the previous high. So that kind of concerns me, and then that usually tells me that we're going to go have a pullback. And also RSI is telling me the same thing, so I think there's other opportunities out there instead of trying to catch this right now. So also, we're trying to narrow down, guys, how often we're going to post this video. So just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. That way we can narrow that down. Also, if you like I said, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And like I said, we're gonna have to wait and see. I don't like this. I feel like we're in the middle of the range, even though risk to reward checks out. I feel like there's other opportunities out there. So thanks again, guys.